Sa video natin ngayon, we're diving into the top 5 email marketing platforms that you should consider in 2024. Ang email marketing ay isa sa pinaka-epektibong paraan to engage your audience, drive conversions, and grow your brand. Using the right platform is crucial. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or managing a large enterprise, i-check natin ang key features, pros and cons, pati na rin ang pricing ng bawat platform to help you determine which one best suits your needs. Simulan natin sa Flodesk. Sumikat ang Flodesk as one of the most visually appealing email marketing platforms, particularly popular among creators and small businesses. Nagsimula ito noong 2019 and has quickly become a favorite for those who value aesthetics and ease of use in their email marketing campaigns. Its emphasis on design at intuitive na user interface makes it an excellent choice for users looking to create beautiful emails without needing extensive technical skills. A few key features. Ang Flodesk ay known for its collection of visually stunning email templates. These templates are fully customizable, allowing you to easily adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand style. Plus, ang drag-and-drop editor makes it super easy even for beginners to create professional-looking emails in minutes. Isa pang key feature ay ang simple automation nito. Ang automation features ng Flodesk ay designed with simplicity in mind. You can easily set up a workflow na magta-trigger based sa actions ng user, such as signing up for a newsletter, purchasing a product, and so much more. Help you stay connected with your audience without needing constant manual input. Isa pang key feature ng Flodesk ay unlimited emails. Ang Flodesk is breaking away from traditional pricing models by offering unlimited emails and subscribers for a flat monthly fee. This is particularly amazing for growing businesses that want to scale their email marketing efforts nang walang stress about escalating cost. Another key feature ay ang visual design sa branding. Ang Flodesk puts a strong emphasis on maintaining consistent branding across all emails. You can save your favorite email design as templates kaya siguradong on-brand at visually cohesive ang bawat email na isasend mo. Next, let's go over some pros and cons ng Flodesk. Magsimula tayo sa pros. First off, it's very user-friendly. One of the biggest strengths of Flodesk is its ease of use. Ang interface ng platform is super clean and intuitive, designed to make the email creation process as straightforward as possible. Another pro ay ang aesthetic focus. Kung ang brand mo ay into visual appeal, Flodesk is an amazing choice. Ang templates nila are some of the most stylish and modern available, making it really easy to create emails that stand out in your audience's inbox. Again, another huge pro is flat pricing model. Ang pricing model ng Flodesk ay simple at transparent, walang hidden fees or tiers. This makes it super easy to budget for email marketing, especially as your subscriber list grows. Let's go over some cons. Una, limited advanced features. While Flodesk excels in design and ease of use, it does lack some of the more advanced features offered by other platforms tulad ng in-depth segmentation, comprehensive analytics, at marami pang third-party integrations. Isa pang con ay wala silang CRM integration. Ang Flodesk ay primarily focused on email marketing and lacks built-in CRM features. Medyo may limitation ito for businesses that need a more comprehensive solution that includes customer relationship management. Now, into the pricing of Flodesk. Ang Flodesk ay may one pricing plan na $35 per month if you pay annually and includes unlimited emails and subscribers. Ang simple at straightforward na pricing model nito is one of Flodesk's most attractive features, especially for businesses that are rapidly scaling and want to avoid escalating costs associated with other platforms. Kung gusto mo mag-add ng e-commerce to your plan, they do have an option too, but it's another $24 per month and that's billed annually. Ang Flodesk ay perfect na choice para sa small businesses, creators, at entrepreneurs na gustong i-prioritize ang design at simplicity ng email marketing nila. Sobrang user-friendly ng interface, ang ganda ng templates, at flat pricing makes it an excellent option for anyone looking to create visually appealing emails without the hassle of learning something new. If you want to go ahead and get started with a free trial on Flodesk, i-click mo lang yung link sa description to get started. Next up ay Squarespace. Squarespace is known for its website building capabilities, but it also offers a robust email marketing platform called Squarespace Email Campaigns. Ang platform na ito ay designed to seamlessly integrate with your website, making it a convenient option for businesses that are already using Squarespace for their online presence. Ang Squarespace Email Campaigns allows you to easily incorporate your website's content and branding into email marketing efforts, ensuring a consistent look at feel across sa digital channels mo. Tignan natin ang ilang key features. Una, seamless integration with Squarespace. Isa sa standout features ay ang integration nito with your Squarespace website. You can easily pull content from your website into your emails, whether it's blog posts, images, or product details. Ang integration na ito ensures na consistent ang branding mo sa iyong website at emails. Another key feature ay design consistency. Squarespace allows you to maintain the same design elements and branding across your website and emails. The consistency helps reinforce the brand's brand's identity and provides a seamless experience para sa audience mo. Next up ay automated workflows. Ang Squarespace email campaigns ay may basic automation features tulad ng welcome emails, follow-ups, and other triggered emails based on user actions. While this is not as advanced as some other platforms, these features are sufficient for many small business and creators. Next ay built-in analytics. Squarespace provides detailed analytics for your email campaigns, including open rates, click-through rates, and other important metrics. Ang insights na ito ay makakatulong sa'yo na i-refine ang email marketing strategy mo and improve your campaign performance over time. Check natin ang ilang pros and cons. Una, the pros. It's an all-in-one platform. If you're already using Squarespace for your website, integrating your email marketing is a breeze. Ang seamless ng connection between your website and your email campaigns makes it super easy to manage all your marketing efforts from a single dashboard. Another pro ay ang user-friendly interface. Tulad ng website builder na to, Squarespace's email marketing tools are designed to be easy to use, even for those with little technical experience. Ang intuitive design ng platform ensures that you can create professional-looking emails quickly and easily. Let's move on sa ilang cons. Una, limited advanced features. Squarespace is great for basic email marketing needs pero kulang ito sa ilang advanced features found in dedicated email marketing platforms such as advanced segmentation, in-depth automation, at A/B testing. Isa pang con ay ang pricing. Ang Squarespace email campaigns ay medyo mas mahal than other email marketing forms, especially if you need to send a high volume of emails. The cost can add up quickly, lalo na for businesses with a large subscriber lists. Ngayon sa pricing. Gusto ko i-mention na by using the link in the description and entering my first website, you can save 10% on all plans. Una, ang starter plan. Before the 10% discount, it's a $10 a month and includes up to 3 campaigns per month and up to 500 emails. The core plan, before the discount, is $20 a month and includes 5 campaigns and up to 5,000 emails per month. Para sa discount, ang Pro plan ay $48 per month and includes 20 campaigns and up to 20,000 emails a month. Ang Max plan naman, before the discount, is $96 a month and offers unlimited campaigns and up to 250,000 emails for a month. Gusto ko rin i-note that these are all monthly subscriptions pero if you do pay annually, makakasave ka rin ng konti. Bakit mo pipiliin ang Squarespace email campaigns? Kung gumagamit ka ng Squarespace para sa website mo at gusto mo ng simple at integrated solution for your email marketing, Squarespace email campaigns is an excellent choice. It's really easy to use, offers beautiful design options, and keeps all your marketing efforts within the same platform. Kung ready ka na to get started with Squarespace, i-click ang link sa description and make sure at checkout you add my first website in all caps to receive 10% off. Next up ay ang ConvertKit. Ang ConvertKit ay isang powerful email marketing platform na tailored for creators such as bloggers, podcasters, and online course creators. It stands out for its strong emphasis on automation and subscriber management, allowing users to grow their audience and increase engagement effectively. Madali lang itong gamitin, pero may advanced features din para sa mas complex na marketing needs. Tignan natin ang ilang key features, starting off with subscriber tagging and segmentation. Ang ConvertKit ay magaling sa pagtag at pagsegment ng subscribers based on their behavior, allowing for highly targeted and personalized email campaigns. Dahil dito, mas tumataas ang engagement at conversion rates. Next ay ang Visual Automation Builder. One of ConvertKit's most powerful tools is its Visual Automation Builder, which lets users create complex workflows. Pwede mong i-design ang automated email sequences na nagtitrigger based on specific subscriber actions such as signups, purchases, o clicks. Ang feature na ito ay helpful sa pag-nurture ng leads and maintaining consistent communication with their audience. Next ay landing pages at forms. Ang ConvertKit ay may kasamang tools for creating landing pages and opt-in forms. These are crucial for capturing leads and growing your email list. Forms are easy to customize and can be embedded sa website mo or i-share sa social media. Isa pang key feature ay ang integrations. Ang ConvertKit ay seamlessly na nag-i-integrate with a wide range of third-party tools including WordPress, Shopify, and Teachable, allowing you to connect your email marketing efforts with your existing systems and workflows. Ngayon, tignan natin ang pros at cons ng ConvertKit. Simulan natin sa pros. Number 1, ito ay naka-tailor for creators. Ang ConvertKit is built specifically for content creators, making it easier for them to manage their email marketing campaigns. Ang focus ng platform sa automation at subscriber management is ideal for users who want to build and engage their audience. Isa pang key feature ay ang user-friendly interface. ConvertKit remains user-friendly with a clean and intuitive design. This makes it accessible for users at all levels, from beginners to experienced marketers. Ngayon, a few cons. Una, limited ang design options. While ConvertKit offers strong automation and segmentation capabilities, its email design options are somewhat limited compared sa ibang platforms like Flodesk o Squarespace. Kung priority mo ang aesthetics at customization sa emails, this could be a drawback. Isa pang con is a higher cost. Ang ConvertKit can be a little bit more expensive than other marketing platforms, especially as your subscriber list grows. While it offers a free plan up to 1,000 subscribers, pero cost can increase quickly as you scale. Tignan natin ang iba't ibang pricing options. Una, merong free plan. Pwede mong palaguin ang subscriber list mo up to 1,000 subscribers with limited features. You can have one basic automation, one email sequence, and one user. Next, moving on sa Creator Plan. Ang Creator Plan starts at $29 a month, offering more advanced features including automated funnels, tagging, at integrations. You'll get unlimited automations at unlimited email sequences. You can also have 2 users. Next ay ang Creator Pro Plan, which starts at $59 a month. Kasama sa plan nito ang lahat ng nasa Creator Plan plus advanced reporting, priority support, and Facebook custom audiences. So why would you choose ConvertKit? Kung ikaw ay creator or blogger looking for a platform that offers powerful automation and subscriber management tools, ConvertKit is an excellent choice para sa'yo. Design ito to help you grow your audience, engage with your subscribers, and scale your business through effective email marketing. Next up ay ang Active Campaign. Ang Active Campaign ay hindi lang isang email marketing platform. Ito ay all-in-one marketing automation tool that includes CRM features, SMS marketing, and more. It's designed for businesses that need all-in-one solution to manage customer relationships at sa pag-automate ng marketing efforts nila. Active Campaign is particularly strong in its automation capabilities, making it a favorite among businesses that require complex workflows at detalyadong customer segmentation. Let's go over some key features. First off, advanced automation. ActiveCampaign is known for its powerful automation feature. Pwede kang gumawa ng personalized at complex workflows na nagtitrigger based on variety of actions, such as email opens, link clicks, and purchase behavior. This helps businesses deliver the right message to the right audience at the right time. Isa pang feature ay ang CRM integration. Hindi tulad ng maraming ibang email marketing platforms, ActiveCampaign includes a built-in CRM tool that allows you to manage customer relationships and track sales pipelines, as well as integrate your marketing and sales efforts seamlessly. Kaya perfect ito for businesses na looking to streamline their operations. Isa pang standout feature ay ang split testing. May robust na A/B testing ang ActiveCampaign na lets you optimize your campaigns by testing different versions of your emails. Nakakatulong ito to identify the most active content and strategies to improve engagement and conversions. Pag-usapan naman natin ng pros at cons. Starting with the pros, all-in-one solution siya. ActiveCampaign's combination of email marketing, CRM, and automation tools makes it a powerful all-in-one platform for businesses. It's particularly well-suited for companies na gustong i-integrate ang marketing at sales nila. Another pro is its high level of customization. Ang advanced automation at segmentation features ng platform allow for highly personalized marketing campaigns. You can tailor your messages to specific audience segments, improving engagement and conversion rates. Next, ang cons. Una, medyo challenging ang learning curve dito kasi ang dami ng advanced features. Mas mahirap siya gamitin compared to simpler platforms like Mailchimp or Flodesk. It does take some time to fully understand and utilize all the platform's capabilities. If you do want to get started with ActiveCampaign, i-click ang link in the description to get started, and by using our link, you can save 15%. Check natin ang pricing. Ang ActiveCampaign ay nag-charge depende sa dami ng subscribers mo. So we're just going to talk about one tier. The starter plan starts at $15 a month and includes email marketing and automation, but with limited CRM sales features. The Plus plan starts at $49 a month and adds CRM features, SMS marketing, and advanced integrations. Tandaan na all these prices are before the 15% discount that you can get by using our link. Ang Pro plan starts at $79 a month and includes predictive sending and advanced automation features. The Enterprise plan starts at $145 per month and includes premium segmentation. With the Enterprise plan, you get all the features of the plans plus some more advanced features. Pero tandaan, habang dumadami ang subscribers mo, tumataas din ang cost. So bakit mo pipiliin ang ActiveCampaign? If your business needs more than just an email marketing platform and requires comprehensive solution that includes CRM and advanced automation, top choice ang ActiveCampaign. Bagay ito for businesses looking to scale their marketing efforts and integrate their marketing and sales processes in one. I-click ang link sa description para makakuha ng 15% off sa plan mo. Moving on to Mailchimp. Ang Mailchimp is one of the most well-known email marketing platforms with long-standing reputation for being user-friendly and versatile. Madalas itong choice ng businesses of all sizes, offering a range of features that cater to both beginner and more experienced marketers. Ang daming tools ng Mailchimp like email marketing, automation, landing pages, at basic CRM features. Kaya magandang all-around option ito for businesses looking to manage their email marketing from a single platform. Let's go over some key features. Una, sobrang dali gamitin. Ang drag-and-drop editor at user-friendly na interface make it really easy for anyone to create professional-looking emails. Next, may automation features din ito. Ang Mailchimp offers a wide range of automation tools, including welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and so much more. These automation features help businesses stay connected with their audience and drive conversions without requiring constant manual input. Next up, comprehensive analytics. Mailchimp has a detailed analytics that lets you keep tabs on how your email campaigns are doing. You can easily check out important metrics like open rates, click-through rates, at conversion rates. This way, malalaman mo kung ano ang gumagana at ano ang hindi sa email marketing strategy mo. Integration with other tools. Mailchimp can easily connect with a bunch of third-party tools like e-commerce platforms tulad ng Shopify at WooCommerce. Pati na rin social media at CRMs. Super daling i-connect ang email marketing mo with other aspects of your businesses. Let's go over some pros and cons. Simulan natin sa mga pros. Una, all-in-one platform ito. Mailchimp offers a broad range of features including email marketing, automation, landing pages, and basic CRM tools, making it a versatile choice for businesses looking to manage multiple aspects of their marketing from one platform. Pangalawa, sobrang user-friendly nito. Design ng Mailchimp to be easy to use with an intuitive interface that makes it accessible to beginners. Ngayon, tignan natin ang ilang cons. While Mailchimp is great for beginners, it lacks more advanced features found in other platforms like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. Halimbawa, hindi kasing robust ang automation at segmentation capabilities nito na maaaring maging limitation for more advanced users. Ang pricing ng Mailchimp ay depende rin sa dami ng contacts mo. For 500 contacts, it's about $20 a month and it moves up from there. For 10,000 contacts, it's $135 a month, so it really does depend on how many contacts you have. Kung gusto mo mag-umpisa sa Mailchimp, i-click ang link sa description to get started with the free plan. So why choose Mailchimp? Ang ganda ng Mailchimp bilang all-around email marketing platform, lalo na for small to medium-sized businesses. Super user-friendly ito and combined with a wide range of features like automation, landing pages, and basic CRM tools, it makes for a very versatile choice for managing your marketing efforts from a single platform. Ang pagpili ng tamang email marketing platform is essential to the success of your marketing strategy in 2024. Each of these top 5 platforms we've covered, Flodesk, Squarespace email campaigns, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and Mailchimp offers unique strengths tailored to different businesses' needs. Whether you prioritize design, automation, or all-in-one solution, siguradong may platform na bagay sa mga goals mo. Kung ready ka na i-level up ang email marketing mo, huwag kalimutan i-click ang links sa description to get started with a platform that feels right for you. This channel is dedicated to helping you grow your business with the best tools and strategies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video insights and tips. Salamat sa panonood at magkikita-kita tayo sa susunod na video.